Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, perfectly baked eggless banana bread, and it is so moist as you can see right now in this clip. So let's get started with the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my videos. Here I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar, and next I have 2 ripe banana. Make sure to take very ripe banana. As you can see, the brown skin on top. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of milk. You can use non-dairy milk as well, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Now, chocolate chips and walnut are completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip this. Now, first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit. So let's start off making this banana bread batter. For that, I will add these 2 ripe banana into this bowl. And now into this banana, I will add 1 cup of sugar. And now I will start mashing the banana. And you want to mash this until you see this banana and sugar has mixed very well and see like a puree consistency. Adding sugar while mashing banana makes process very fast and easy. As you can see, my sugar and banana puree is ready. Now into this I will add milk and oil, and now mix it all this together very well. Now we are ready to add our dry ingredients to this liquid mixture. Here I'm adding my 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and now I'm going to sieve all this together. Now before I mix all these ingredients together, I will add this chopped walnut on top of the flour. And then I will mix these walnuts with the flour, so that way when we bake, this walnut doesn't sink down on the bottom. And I will do same thing with the chocolate chips. But I'm not going to add all the chocolate chips here. I'm just going to add very little and reserve this much to put it on the top to garnish. Now we can mix all this together, but very gently you want to do this because you don't want to over mix. So try cut and fold method, just like I'm doing it. If you prefer, you can add half the flour and then mix it and then re-add the rest of the flour, but I find this easy and works for me. So banana bread batter is mixed and ready to be baked. Here I have taken 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, and I'm just going to spray it with cooking oil. Now I'm just going to pour all this batter into this loaf pan. I'm going to smooth this out a little, and now I will add this reserved chocolate chips on top. Just sprinkle it all over. Now I'm going to bake this for 55 minutes at 350-degree Fahrenheit. Every oven is different, so please keep eye on it, as your oven may take less or more time to bake this bread. Our bread is ready and looking very delicious. Now you can just insert a toothpick right into the center just to see if it has cooked completely. If it comes out clear, means it has cooked completely. Cake has sink a little bit into the center because earlier when I was checking if cake is ready or not, by mistakenly I put my finger in it. I poked it with my fingernail, so well, it tastes good. It should be acceptable. My bread has cooled down, so look at this. Very nice brown color all over, cooked very evenly from all the sides. So now I'm going to cut it and show you from inside how does it look. It is still warm, but I cannot wait to try. Look at this beautifully baked banana bread. You can see chocolate chip, you can see walnut, and it is delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care guys.